Well, welcome back to another short story in Star Citizen. Today, well, I made the mistake of leaving it unattended and somebody came out with a bunch of spray cans and did up the Corsair.
Really?
As you can see from a little tour, the graffiti is quite extensive. So, I guess I'm just going to have to deal with this for a little while. But anyway, came back out here, built up a little rep here in Crusader, and maybe I can do a couple of the Orison raids that I used to enjoy so much. Here they might be bugged, but only one way to find out is get a little rep and go try 'em. So, come back and clean this up later. Happy thoughts.
Nice.
God, please, no! 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 No!
Yeah, don't normally go after players on bounties, but in this case, the 500 credits that it cost me to take the mission will help with bounty hunting, and well, it's not a personal thing, but if it's red, it's dead. So, happy thoughts. Not something I normally do, not something I endorse. I hate being pirated, and sometimes stuff happens, and you just don't mean to get the crime stat. It is what it is.
Dead men tell no tales.
Came all the way from Microtech so I could do some wars and raids, build up a little bit of rep, and they don't load. Maybe they do for you. They're not loading for me. So I guess I'll take the new skin and I don't know, maybe do a few bunkers here and then head back to Micro and go back to the centers. I think Kirsten might be the next stop. Just have to take it a day at a time. But yeah, wouldn't load. Figured I'd do a little looting, and poof, Jenga. Mission failed, just like that. So, oh well. Maybe on the next patch. I don't know. We'll see. Happy thoughts.
Okay, see you later, bye-bye.